Hello everyone, so here comes our today's question. So right now the time is 6:27 pm and we have to determine the time exactly 2880717 minutes ago. So here is a quick method to do it. So look at the numbers. It is 6:27 pm. So 7 minutes ago it will be 6:20 pm. 17 minutes ago it will be 6:10 pm. 27 minutes ago it will be 6 pm and 37 minutes ago it will be 5:50 pm. So there is a pattern. When minutes have the unit digit 7, then the resulting time will result in a unit digit which is 0. So based on that, when we go back to 2880717 minutes earlier, then time will be something in which the unit digit is 0. So luckily in our case there is only one option where unit digit is 0, which is D. So the right option is D. But if there are multiple options, then we are going to solve this question like this. So we know the minutes in 24 hours is 1440. So look at the number which is given to us, where 2880 is a multiple of 1440. So let's simplify our case and do this calculation. So here this number, it represents multiple days. So the days are repeating and they are not going to affect the time calculation. So we can simply ignore this number. Now we are only left with 717 minutes. So convert this minutes into hours. Now convert this 0.95 hours into minutes, which comes out to be 57 minutes. So 11 hours ago time would be 7:27 am. And additional 57 minutes ago time would be 6:30 am. So the right answer is option D.